Hey guys, and welcome to a new video by me, Lissyyy, about chickpea tofu. It's an experiment, so we just gotta try that out and see if it tastes the same like tofu or is equally as good as tofu and if it's like easy to make it yourself. Let's do this! First, put 200 grams of chickpea flour in a bowl, as well as salt and curcuma. Add 200 milliliters of water. Stir everything through so that there are no clumps. Now take a pot with more water, boil it, and add your mixture. Same thing, just mix it around until you have a real batter and put it in another bake. Make it pretty and then put it in the fridge for like 1 to 3 hours. Later on, take it out again. Now you can cut it in small cubes. Alright, let's give this little thing a try. To be honest, it doesn't taste like much besides curcuma. But if it's kind of like a substitute for tofu, then it might be the same with spicing it up and everything. That you need to put a lot of spices and fry it in a pan and then it gets better. We should give that a try as well. Second try with soy sauce and spices. Way better, definitely. I'm taking off the remainings of the pan. Actually, it also tastes really good. So either next time I would really add oil, or I would just bake it in the oven because I think that is way easier. I think it works as a substitute, especially when you're just allergic against soy or something, but you cannot quite match the texture. But I guess that was worth the experience and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, leave a like and comment down below and I'll see you in the next one. Check out my social media channels as well and my other videos and then bye bye!